listeners. I am Kausalya Kiran from Southern Business School, University of Southern Punjab, Multan. Student, in the first part of the lecture, we will discuss the manufacturing sector. What is manufacturing? Manufacturing sector, uh, historical evidence, and what is the share in the GDP level in the manufacturing sector. Now we will discuss manufacturing industry in Pakistan. Pakistan ranks 41 41 in the world's factory output. Pakistan manufacturing sector accounts for about 20% to 25% of GDP. Following are the main industries of our country. Our country has our country has uh, textile industry, sports, sugar, cement, and fertilizers industry. The major industry including automobile, leather products, paper and board, pharmaceuticals, chemical, engineering items, electronic, non-metallic materials, petroleum products, food, beverages, tobacco, mining, services sector, agriculture, livestock, steel, electricity, and gas. Causes of industrial backwardness in Pakistan: political instability, lack of capital, limited market, people liking to foreign goods, communication and transportation, energy crisis, economic restriction, gap between targets and achievements, inefficient, new competitors, low foreign investment, high interest rate, lack of technical knowledge, corporation in related government agencies, and so many government agencies intervention, import trend, lack of training, empowerment. Now, what is the recommendation of this backwardness? Here are some suggestions to stabilize the manufacturing sector. Number one, government must unveil a solid industrial policy keeping in view the global requirements in order to increase the share of the industry sector in the GDP. There is dire need to establish new industrial state in the country to enhance the contribute of existing industrial state in the economy. They should be facilitated by the government policies. Industrializations be given loans on easy installment so as they could run industries smoothly. New markets for the local products are explored, and the quality of local products be improved to increase the demand board. New technical universities and institutions are established for the guidance of the labor and equip them with the modern techniques being used in the industry. Means of communication, basic infrastructure required for industry like roads, transportation, etc. should improve the enhance to make the access easy. New emerging entrepreneurs must be encouraged to lead the industrial sector and make investments. The crisis of energy must be resolved to priority basis and interrupted supply of energy to industry be ensured. Law of order situation be improved to ensure the investor their money and time. More attention should be given to increase export. More substitution products are produced to encourage people to use local product. Realistic and up to date statistic uh, to provide to provide the sector of small and medium enterprises. Now that is the recommendations and causes discuss. Here we discuss the main thing we keep in mind. The performance of the uh, manufacturing sector in Pakistan very low. The share of industrial sector was 5.8% in GDP growth rate in 2003 to 2024. However, it interested to 13.1% in the year of 2004 to 2005. So, in the manufacturing sector, um, first of all, you will keep learn main point. What is manufacturing sector? What is manufacturing sector? Its objectives, its role, its growth, historical evidence, that is historical evidence, historical background, and the main stages which you can remember. First, growth of manufacturing sector 1947 to 1950, growth of manufacturing sector 1950s, growth of manufacturing sector 1960s, growth of manufacturing sector 1970s, and the growth of manufacturing sector from 1947 to 1950, and we will discuss the performance manufacturing sector share in GDP growth rate 1947 to 2024. You will be, you as a Pakistani student, as a economic student, you learn, you should you should keep in mind what is the manufacturing sector contribute in your real GDP. Reasons we will discuss already. Monetary policy ups and down, financial disciplines, contribute of development policies, strengthens of domestic demand, continuously improving macroeconomic environment, stable rate, global expansion of market due to liberalization of trade in 2005. But in 2005, the contribution of industrial sector in GDP growth rate was 9.9%, which was declined to 4.1% in 2006. Is very gap both numerically evidence 9.9% and decline next year 4.1%. The reasons are naturally, the reasons are this the reasons are decline in manufacturing sector is due to multiple reasons like reduced production of cotton production reduced, crops, sugar shortage, steels and iron problems, and global oil prices. From 2006 to 2007, there was an increase in industrial sector contribution towards to GDP growth rate. If you want to develop your country, then your GDP growth rate level high in manufacturing sector, then you will achieve the production level, the target. So reason is, major reason is for the growth in 2007 was production of sugar, which was estimated at 61.5 million metric ton MMT, an increase of 12 over previous year due to increase in era under cultivation and yield. In 2007, the industrial sector grew by 14% and accounted for 27% of the gross domestic product GDP based on purchasing power purity. Oil and gas exploring increased by 34% and 74% respectively in 2007 compared with that of 2006. Textile export in 1999 were $5.2 billion and rose to become $10.5 billion by 2007. So hopefully student, your lecture can be very very interesting and hopefully you understand. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.